Hey guys, this is Sam back on my channel. Today I've got a product from Realme 3Pro. Once upon a time, this was the mid-range killer and flagship device from the mid-range category. Today we are going to see the full review of this particular device, how it works with the real life. Yeah, all the specification, whether are they really matching with the company's created hype or claimed. Before we get into depth of this video, please do subscribe my channel and also please like the video and share with your friends. Let's start this video with this device Realme 3 Pro. I have got this hands on. So this is the blue color I have got it. Okay, this is the device. So on the down you have a speaker, then your charging port, then 3-point jack, your mic, and the left hand side only volume rocker button is there. Also you have got a SIM tray. Okay, on the top you have another mic. Okay, on the right hand side you got a power button. This is all about the device. Okay, back side you have got a Realme branding, fingerprint sensor, 2 camera sensor, one LED light. Okay, it's on front you got a one single camera and the speaker on top. Realme 3 Pro. Here I have. This is smooth because of Snapdragon 710 processor. This is the notification panel. You got too many shortcut options in notification panel. This is a very good part of Realme UI. Let me put the brightness to the highest. Here is the highest brightness. Let me put it back to normal. Also how the camera interface is. Here you can see night, video, photo, portrait and more. Let me see what are there. Time lapse, slow motion, experts and panorama. You have HDR mode as well. And this is front. You have video, photo, portrait and more. What is there in more? Panorama and time lapse. Now I will show you sample photos first with different mode and conditions, and then I'll go to videos with different modes and conditions so that you guys can have a better understanding of how the cameras perform. Yeah, both the back cameras and front cameras. This is recording during night time with indoor light conditions. I'm slowly moving the camera so that camera focus can be able to judge here. Guys, this is I'm recording on front camera video mode, normal mode. Hope this video is going to be useful for you guys. So please do like and share this video, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.